What motivated us was the fact that we were in this city and the whole trip was planned around coming to this event because it's a really important event and it was a powerful event and we were here from the very beginning and most of the day.
Well, you can read about it and see pictures, but nothing's like experiencing it firsthand in person.
My surprise was that he was so close and open and willing to be amongst his people so closely. And it's a very, very lovely community, a lot of joy, a lot of happiness.
Ade
Intowi.
Ade Intowi. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you. Abusua se de yin anim na ya Akwasidae e wo menhia Kotoko fie pro Asante Kotoko hene na sase so ni Asanteman na ahemfie ne ye besomen se de bia ye no na ye namu a ya bepie ye maame nom abrofo bi eso e wo menhia Kotoko fie ye hu wo mo no se de e wo si fanti abo apiri wo mo ye no be din koma bisa ba bia mo free ya wo maba bla Akwasidae koso na no mo nim ye se de ene de koso bia mo de wo mo hyiemu eye bi kame ho ene ento e wo ase de wo hwen komo o mo nti Asante ka Asante ye be poto kasa no na pipia ewi me mama kwaba say hello, how are you doing?
Hello, we're doing very well, thank you.
Okay, we bless God. First of all, hi, I hope you're fine too.
Hi, I'm very well, thank you.
Okay, we bless our Maker, and you, I hope you're doing good.
Good, thank you.
We bless God. I would love you to introduce yourself to our viewers. Where are you coming from?
My name's Rebecca and I'm coming from the United States.
Okay. You are from the United States?
We're all from the United States.
What's your name?
Susan from California.
Okay. And then you?
Mary Ellen from New York.
Oh, okay. So one would ask, what motivated you to be in the Asante Kingdom today, precisely the seats of the King of the Asante Kingdom for today's festival?
It's something that I've known about for a long time. I've always wanted to see it. We had an opportunity to travel with a group by Trans-Africa, and we've been in Togo, Benin, and now in Ghana at the end of our trip, saving the very best for last.
What motivated you to join your team to be here today?
What
motivated you to be here today?
What motivated us was the fact that we were in this city and the whole trip was planned around coming to this event because it's a really important event. Every 42 days we learned. So I think our trip was planned just so that we could be here. And it was a powerful event and we were here from the very beginning and most of the day.
And then what inspired you to be here?
Well, you can read about it and see pictures, but nothing's like experiencing it firsthand in person.
Today is is this the first time seeing the Asante King?
Yes.
How was the feeling when you were privileged to have a glance at the King of the Asante King?
My surprise was that he was so close and open and willing to be amongst his people so closely. And it's a very, very lovely community, a lot of joy, a lot of happiness. This is something special that I wanted to see.
So it was a different feeling, if I get you.
Yes, a very different feeling. Very different. Yeah.
What about you? How do you feel when you saw the Asante King for the very first time?
Well, first of all, you could feel the energy, a lot of energy in this group of people. Okay. And the people were warm and kind and were excited to be part of the celebration. And they were accepting for us to be here. I was very surprised there were so many foreigners that were here. Okay. And people came from all over the world to see it. And we were lucky to be from the United States to see this event.
I guess you had a very great reception over here today.
Yes, I think we're all surprised at how close you could get to the King and how welcome everybody all around the world is to come and see this.
The festival lasted for about 2 hours, if I get it right. So let me ask this. What was that one moment that got you rolling, that got you super excited, that is going to live with you forever?
We stayed till the end, okay, which I think was important, because the beginning seemed more formal. In the end, the way he went into the crowd and greeted people and they danced and he was happy. And I think the end moment there was really the part that touched my heart the most.
When the King went into the crowd, yes, trying to say goodbye to everyone?
Yes.
What was your moment of the day?
That was my moment of the day. Wow. Yeah.
Okay. What about you? What's your moment of today?
I think it's very similar. I was glad that we were able to see, and actually, in the very beginning when we arrived, we couldn't really see the king because the people were coming in so close and trying to get in, and we were back in the back and couldn't really see anything. So at the end, a lot of people had made room, and we could get up and actually see him and feel his energy and see his kindness to the people.
Now, finally, you've witnessed it firsthand how the Ashanti Kingdom is and whatever that it is about. What is your message to your people out there about your experience about the Ashanti Kingdom and why they should make it part of their time to visit the Ashanti Kingdom?
Oh, sorry. Well, it's an important thing in all of Ghana. I mean, there's probably close to 3 million Ashantis, and it was something that we really wanted to do to see. It's a great sense of community, happiness, joy, and that's a good message for the world right now.
So people should visit the Ashanti Kingdom, right?
I think it's important for people to see how other people live all around the world. So I think people should come and experience something very different.
We are going, sir. When it's Christmas, we say Merry Christmas. They'll respond, many happy returns. It's Akwasidae, which is a festival for people of the Ashanti Kingdom. So we greet Mimamo at their touching. Then you respond at their into ye. So we'd love to try it. Okay. I would say Mimamo at their touching. Then you would respond at their into ye. Okay. At their into ye. Are you ready? Yes. Mimamo at their touching.
At their into ye.
Mimamo at their touching.
At their into ye.
Thank you very much for your time. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Abusua timpanyifo na kan wasem se kwan no e wasa die ya ebewie e wo ya bobwa no manhia Kotoko fie Akwasidae ya etoso nwotwe e wa fempimie no ene edienu num na twedi amponyankopon adaroma ye de mu mfonyini ani mama ne bogina abesomo na ensobe kwa akowie bako se ye fa ni die ma de de se no na ye nkura ya mamre ene ya mane mu yie esanse ede ebedu akire nyame enhira kro bia Asante Kotoko hene o hira Asanteman de bi nka Akan man ede Ghana nyina na o ma nya from efra dum enko adum abusua me de kwabena wusu be da se pasa oje bre ehwe me ne mom kai se nyuma kwibia daroma ene bom chidom ne adonten e ma me de amane boy ebesom de di kan eye OB Trading Enterprise ye wo Kumasi South Interest Junction abusua me serewo se wo pata de papa open papa ne perfume papa dia ewiase na ye ba kope eno a eni OB Trading Enterprise wo Kumasi South Interest Junction so to mechanical way maba ye adwuma ho anim ti omo de ahof omo de sabe ebuo ebeje ofeso na de ohia bia omo de ama South American for Better Grace Financial Services de ama Ghana for am America Ghana for more Canada Mr. Mo Better Grace Financial Services omo ye intermediary financial group ya eban insurance won sensem se odo ho bata no wasies Canada chi okwa ho yehia mo ho anche de no an Better Grace Financial Services ti no miame maame ohene reda na kusi na to ase hene retwe nkomo na ye kofar ba edema Better Grace Financial Services no nche kwan ya obetimi Better Grace etu anamo na bibia ye from and so edi ama obedi edi kwabena usu nyame nka ho bepam ye behia makra bye bye.